What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to reset your Windows sound settings. To reset your sound settings, search for Settings in your Start menu to open your Settings app. Here, head to the System section and then click on Sound. From here, scroll down and select Volume Mixer. Scroll down again and then click on Reset to reset all volume levels of applications and sound devices back to the default values. If you experience problems with your audio output and it's not related to your volume levels, then head back to your sound settings and under Advanced, click on More Sound Settings. In your Sound Control panel, head to the Playback section and disable all output devices that you don't want to use. You can do the same for your input devices. Next, close your settings and search for Services to open your Windows Services Manager. On this window, find the Windows Audio service by selecting any of the listed services and typing Windows. Here, right-click the service and select Restart. After these steps, all of your volume sliders will be back the way Windows intended. Unused devices won't interfere, and the audio service will be freshly restarted. If you still encounter issues, you might also try updating your audio drivers via your device manager or running the Windows Troubleshooter. In your Windows settings, head back to the System section and click on Troubleshoot. From here, head to Other Troubleshooters and then run the Audio or Playing Audio Troubleshooter. Windows will take a moment to identify and fix the most common audio problems. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.